Ooh, another toothbrush review, and I'm feeling good about this one.
I've got a little void to fill, and you seem to fit the shape quite well. I'm not in love with you, no. I just feel the way love is due. Oh, is it so bad if I am? Cause I like you a lot more than nothing. I shouldn't be in love with you, no. I just feel the way love is due.
And hi all, you are watching another video by mykeltrent. Today's video is sponsored by OCLEAN. Today we are unboxing a ultrasonic whitening toothbrush. It is called the OCLEAN Air Ultrasonic Whitening Toothbrush, showing you guys exactly what it looks like coming right out of its packaging. Yes, so in today's video we are pretty much showing you the wonderful works of this ultrasonic electric toothbrush. Okay, I'm super excited to show you guys more about this device. Oh my gosh. So that is the electric toothbrush there right out of the box. I just had to get a close look at it, and then I basically took this little piece out of the top and found some goodies on the inside of the box. There is the instruction manual and things of that such. And also you will find in the bottom of the box the charger that goes to this electric ultrasonic toothbrush by OCLEAN. This is the charger up close. It is a USB charger, okay? Also, what's neat about this charger is it is magnetic. I thought that was absolutely like crazy cool. Like I've never seen anything like that. So yeah, that's how it charges. It just sticks to the bottom, draws this stuff to the bottom of the toothbrush, and you find a head of your own to plug the USB into, or wherever you want to plug the USB into, and charge your toothbrush like that. So when the light is not constant, it is blinking, that means it is charging and that the toothbrush is not fully charged. So just showing you guys that. So once it does charge fully, how will you know it is fully charged? Well, the light will be constant. It won't blink. So had to show you that. Also got to show you that the head on this toothbrush does remove. Super easy to remove. Now let's have a listen to the toothbrush. As you are hearing, this toothbrush does have 2 intensity levels. So the 3 brush modes are cleaning, whitening, and massage. So now let's have a look at the quail egg test. Okay. So my friends over at OCLEAN wanted to show you guys with normal toothpaste and their electric toothbrush. They wanted to show you the quail cleaning test, show you how legit their toothbrush is. So as you can see before, and then you will see after over on the left hand side after 2 minutes. This here also shows that besides the powerful cleaning and the whitening, it won't cause damage to your teeth, including the enamel on it, even to a fragile eggshell, as it has a pressure sensor. So your girl decided to try out the OCLEAN electric toothbrush on my own teeth. And pretty much, you guys, why I'm looking like this is because my very first impression of this toothbrush is the pressure is like just right for my mouth. The toothbrush I was using before this is an electric toothbrush, and it doesn't work nearly as good as this one. And I'm not even lying about that at all, y'all. So that's why I was kind of frowning up, like I look like I'm upset, but I'm amazed. That's why I'm looking like that. As I've stated earlier, this toothbrush does have a pressure sensor. So if it detects that the pressure is too much for your mouth, it will adjust itself. Also, this toothbrush is super lighter than my previous toothbrush, so I just want to throw that out there. It is 3.3 ounces, and it is almost 30% smaller than the traditional toothbrushes. Perfect for travel. So more about this toothbrush, you guys. It does deliver up to 40,000 strokes per minute to help you clean your teeth, remove stains, and reduce plaque. It has a 30-day battery life and comes with a rapid USB charger, as you guys saw earlier, that delivers a full charge within 2.5 hours. And that, I know that to be true. Y'all, I really got into this session with this toothbrush. As you can see, I actually forgot I was recording. Like, my gums and stuff was like really feeling good. I was like, yes, massage, yes. And there's also a technique they do recommend you to use when using their toothbrush. You can look into your instruction manual for more details concerning the recommended way of using your toothbrush. So I'm done here. It does shut off after 2 minutes. And yeah, y'all, like, I was trying to feel and see how my teeth felt. They were squeaky clean. Like, there was no residue and nothing coming off of my teeth. I was just doing a little check with that. And as you can see, your girl's teeth got a little whiter than it normally is, because, you know, my teeth already be looking good. I also want to report that the head of the toothbrush is very soft. It's not a hard head at all. Just want to throw that out there. All right, let's talk about the OCLEAN app, which comes with the toothbrush. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here, just getting my phone set up with that. I turn my Bluetooth on my phone, and now I am looking for the code. There it is on the back of the instruction manual that you can scan with your phone. I have an iPhone, so, and you can find it on the back of the box as well. Same code you could use. And yeah, I just took my camera up on my iPhone and scanned it, and it gave me a link, took me directly to where I can download the OCLEAN Pro app. There it is. You do have to register if you're not registered yet. By using the OCLEAN Pro app, you will earn points that you can redeem for their electric brush replacement brush heads. OCLEAN will send the brush heads in the mail every 3 months. So with this app, y'all, as you can see, you have to go through and customize. Tell them more about your smile. Do you smoke? Do you drink tea? Do you drink wine? Do you drink coffee? What is it? They're going to ask you a load of questions. Or, well, a few questions, not many. And, you know, just to kind of keep up with what you have going on, you know, in particular with your smile. And like I said, you can Bluetooth your phone to your electric toothbrush, and this app will keep up with everything. You can also operate the toothbrush through this app as well, so do look more into that. But yeah, I gotta say, this will be my go-to toothbrush. I mean, I'm gonna put my other one to the side and focus solely on this one, because I really was like amazed and I loved it. So I love how it made my mouth feel, and to the fact that an app comes with it. You can Bluetooth it to your phone. It keeps up with all of your stats right here in this app, and have different modes you could choose from concerning your toothbrush. Man, like, what? That sounds so much fun. Like, y'all, I am like turning into like this tech savvy, so I just love technology now, and it's just amazing. Like, this electric toothbrush is like, you can Bluetooth it to your phone. Oh my gosh. So I am going through all the little settings, y'all, having so much fun doing it. Actually got carried away here. I was just like, but yeah, all in all, you guys, I will say give this toothbrush a try. Once again, it is by OCLEAN. You will find a link in the description box. If there's a discount code, you will find it there as well. Also in the comments section as well, if you can't access the description box or don't know where it is. Yeah, check the comment section and you will find everything you need there also. Thanks guys so much for watching. Thank you, OCLEAN, for collaborating with me. I look forward to working with you guys yet again. Cop this electric toothbrush, you guys. You will not regret it, okay? For real, for real. This is one of my new faves now. Thanks, guys. Do me a favor, thumbs up this video for me, please. If you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the notification bell so you'll know when videos like these are being uploaded, okay? Okay. Thanks, guys, so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Yes? Stay safe, guys. Bye.
I don't feel a thing. I promise that I don't feel these things at all.